Welcome back, guys. It's your boy Mbumi and Co with Funds and Galore, where investing means more. So guys, today we're gonna be analyzing Nasdaq100, and the reason why we're gonna be looking at Nasdaq100 is because we might be getting entries, guys. We're looking for entries. So this is the setup from last time, guys. I haven't touched Nasdaq ever since we did the market breakdown for Nasdaq. So if you are new to the channel, guys, what I'm going to do is I'm gonna remove everything so I can redo my analysis again from scratch, so that you can follow with me and see how we were able to get to this point, guys. So before we do that, let me just play some music, play some beats by my boy Forgive Me If I Die, producer, one of the best upcoming producers in SA, guys. So big shout out to my boy, and big shout out to my other boy Titanium. He's currently working on something, so I won't tell you guys what he's currently working on. It's a surprise, guys. You'll just see it in my next coming videos. So without saying too much and without spoiling too much, and guys, can you please hit that notification bell, subscribe, hit the like button to help the YouTube algorithm, guys. If you haven't subscribed yet. If you have subscribed and you've been watching my videos, guys, I welcome you back to another market breakdown. And like I said, if you're new, go check out my website. I provide the free basic strategic trading academy, and after this, taking this video, I'm gonna be working on the advanced trading course like I've been doing, guys. We've been working on the advanced trading course. I was supposed to be done with my article and the video, because I'm doing practical and theory. So my thing did not want to record yesterday. It was giving me problems. I was having network problems yesterday, so hopefully tonight, after this, everything will still be alright, so that we can continue making the advanced trading academy course. And guys, like I said, it is absolutely free. This knowledge is for free, guys. Like I said, Funds and Galore is not an exclusive club. It is a movement, guys. It's a movement for anybody who's willing to take action today, not tomorrow, today, guys. So be sure to check that out, and also check out I've also did the psychology part of it, and I've also included it in the strategic trading academy. So it will be best if you read through the psychology part, guys. It's trading psychology, the art of perfecting the art of trading psychology 1, and perfecting the art of psychology 2, and mindful trading, guys. And I also made video references to those articles on my YouTube channel under the playlist Strategic Trading Academy, guys. So I'm giving you all this for free. We love trading at Funds and Galore. We want to help build and inspire people or individuals who are looking to be profitable. Like we always say, there's a difference between being a good trader and being profitable, and you need two skills. There's a lot of traders who are just good traders, but they are not profitable. So here at Funds and Galore, we teach you the technical and the psychology part, guys. So stay tuned for more exciting, interesting, fun education, guys. This is fun education. It's fun. It does not discriminate. It does not discriminate, guys. It does not. Forex is built for anyone, and what tends to happen is that the people who are not A students tend to grasp it more. It's simply because with A students, right, guys? A students, guys, I'm not saying for all. I'm just making, and I just want you guys to feel what I'm saying, right? So with all A students, what tends to happen is that once they come into the forex space, they are not used to failing. So once they start to experience failures and stuff like that, then they quit. They start doubting themselves. They'll be like, because they're used to getting straight A's. If you're used to getting straight A's, forex, unfortunately, you're not gonna get straight A's. You need to fail to succeed. So that's what I'm saying. People who know failure, that 50% and low mark, that 40, that 30% for Geo. I remember those 30% for Geo. We used to this. So when I came into this game, it was not like, okay, I was losing so much, but I knew like, okay, I'm already have my past experiences with failure, so it wasn't something new. But failure, it does hit the heart. It does honestly hit the heart, but you just need to keep going. And if you're an A student, I'm here to tell you that, guys, you are not incapable, guys. You are very much capable. And if you experience losses, it's okay. Just like a baby, before a baby walks, a baby needs to try and stand up and fall, a baby crawls, attempts to stand up and falls day and night. A baby tries until they know how to eventually walk. So this is basically forex, guys. You are crawling. It's either you are crawling, which you are beginner, beginner, you are attempting to crawl. You don't know how to crawl, bro. Intermediate. Okay, my monitor is switching off. Hey, I can't let it switch off, guys. So you need to learn how to crawl first, then only you attempt to walk. So this is what we're here to do, guys. Without further wasting time, let's dive straight into the charts, and let me play some forgive me if I die producer music. That's my boy, Forgive Me If I Die. Dopest producer ever. And he's funny too. He's very funny, that guy. Very, very funny. Interesting, different, and fun. Let me play it from here. Okay, guys, so like I said, we're gonna erase everything so you can see what we're looking for. So like I always say, guys, we first start from a daily time frame. And why do we start from a daily time frame? Just so that we can spot out if the market is trending up, it's trending down, or is it consolidating. So that's what we're looking for. Is the market consolidating, trending up, or trending down? When the market is trending up, we primarily focus solely on buying opportunities, and when the market is trending down, we focus solely on selling opportunities. When the market is consolidating, guys, we look for both buying and selling opportunities. So in the instance of, like, if you look at Nasdaq, guys, Nasdaq is trending up. As we can see, the market has been trending up. We have market pulling back. I remember this is when I was learning how to trade with the sales. I was learning how to trade. The market was showing me flames there and then. So this is the last time the market actually sold, which was from 2021 until until November 2022. So ever since then, the market has been going up, guys. So we know that the overall market is for the buyers. The buyers have the upper hand, guys. So what we first do is we're gonna first start off with our key levels. I'll just place this one. You can also place other ones below, but the market is still not. I'm not gonna continue placing them to the ground because the market is still playing above here. So I can just remove this one and leave this one. I will cater for more daily key levels when if the market breaks below here. So for now, okay, we have our key level. Now we need our daily trend. So we're gonna place our daily trend. So this is our support, our resistance, support, you know what I mean. So guys, if you wanted to cater for most touches, we can, but it's fine, let's just update it to this. So guys, this is our trend right now, right? This is basically our daily trend. So now we're gonna dive deeper into the markets, guys. We're gonna dive deep into the market. So what happened is that from my previous analysis, I had my resistance catering also. I had it catering also these key levels here, but now we just stretch out the market, guys, because this is our latest high. So let's just stretch up. And it's always important to emit your trends. You need to always update your trends, especially when you're in the 4 hours, 1 hour space every weekend. Make sure that you always keep updating your charts every weekend so that you're always updated in terms of what the market is currently doing. So this is technically our, let me just do this, we're in our 4 hour trend. So now what do? We need to cater our key zones. We need to spot out our zones and also key levels that present themselves in the 4 hours. So I normally place zones only from the 4 hour time frame going down. From the daily time frame, I use key levels, which I highlight them red. So the 4 hour key levels, I change color. I don't use the same color so that I know where the market is, if we're playing on the daily or if we're playing on the 4 hour, guys. And one thing you should always remember, that you always want to keep your charts clean. The cleaner, the less things you put on your charts, the more informed decisions you can make. The more indicators, the more statistics or what volume things that you add on your screen, guys, it's just gonna conflict with your trading style. So make sure to only use what I teach you, guys. Only use basic, keep it clean, keep your charts clean at all costs. So guys, we're gonna be placing our zones. Like I said, we place our zones where the market gives us a lot of touches. So in this instance, we had touches here, and we had touches here. We had 3 touches, making this a very strong support. And here at the resistance, we had touches here, and the market broke out and it respected this area here, making it a very strong zone area. So let's just erase all the brush strokes. So guys, okay, that is us right now. So we're gonna be zooming in a little bit more. We're gonna just zoom in a little bit more. So we can also put in our key levels, our 4 hour key levels, yeah. Here's our 4-hour key level, just place them here. And we'll place our last one, yeah. And we'll place, I meant second last one, yeah. So basically, this is it. Now what do? We're gonna just insert our 4-hour trains, which we're gonna change. We're gonna change color. We're gonna change its color right now. So let's change the color so that you know that this is our 4-hour train. So let's make it green. Green for consistency, guys. Green for consistency, man. Green for focus, guys. Green for focus. So let's check it out. So we have trains in trains, guys. This is what I'm gonna teach you guys. We have a first train and we have a second train, guys. So the market is creating an upward trend inside an overall bullish market. So we have a bullish trend inside a bullish trend. So let's just dive into our 1 hour. So we're practically done. We are done here. We are done. And if you wanted to, you could also cater for this trend here, which would have also helped us capitalize on these entries right here until the next point of exit, which is where the green bar ends. So we would have taken our entries here at the support and right until there, because it gave us a trend inside a trend inside a trend. So I'll cover this at the Advanced Trading Academy. So as you can see, we had a trend in here too. So we're having a overall bullish trend, a 4-hour bullish trend, and a 1-hour bullish trend. So right now what we're waiting for is we're waiting for the market. As you can see, guys, there's something I also want to touch on quickly now. Something I want to just show you guys quickly before I cover it at the Advanced Trading Academy. So guys, as you can see, the market has broken out of this trend, but we're not gonna be looking for sells. Why? Because we're playing with support and resistance. We're playing with areas. You see, the market can come back here and actually push back up, you feel, or the market can actually break and continue, because we're having this trend break, and this could be a fake out. This could, I mean, let me just do it like this so I don't confuse you. This whole move right here could be a fake out, because let me just do this one more time. So this could be a fake out, right? Because why? The market has reached our resistance and the prices can push back down. But I am not looking for selling opportunities. I'm only looking for buying opportunities. So what we want to look at is how the market approaches this key level. If the market breaks this key level impulsively, that's when we can expect sells to the downside. But if the market is coming back here correctively, that's when we'll be waiting for breaks and retests so that you can enter these positions, or you can eat it. Guys, you need to know, like, yeah, you need to wait for perfect entries. If you're gonna bite it before, if you're gonna eat this setup before the market breaks, then you need to practice that first. You need to practice that first. That's what I tend to do. If you what I'm talking about, you can even go check out my earlier analysis on S&P 500. I did exactly that, and it's posted right here on my YouTube channel, guys. It's posted down there in my YouTube channel. You can go check it out. but I would only advise you to do that after you had training, like if after you've practiced doing that. So what I would advise you guys to do is when the market does retrace back to the support, let me just use arrows. So it'll be better if you wait for the market to come back and retest, and I'll show you why. To retest like this, break, retest, and you know why? Because you can test out both. That's if you're testing it out on a demo. That's when I can encourage you guys to attempt to, but you have to wait and see if the market is actually correcting. So you're not gonna be hasty and just jump into trades. As you saw with my USDT trade, I told you gonna be patient, and we've been patient for like 3, 4, 5 days, even though the market was playing where I stated that we are going to look to buy. And what happened? Patience paid off. It paid off. So let me just do this properly. Let me just do it. So you'll wait for the market to play around this trend. Then you'll wait for a break and a retest before entering. So these retests are gonna come at this area right here. So you have to wait for the market to first break impulsively, retest, then you have your confirmations to go towards the upside. That's exactly what I'm going to be looking for, guys. I'm teaching you guys exactly what I do on a day-to-day basis. So patience is important, because what the market can also do is that the market can come, maybe play around here, then break impulsively, then continue going down, invalidating this trend, meaning that our new trend would be similar to this. Then we're gonna just have to adjust our trends and look for other prices to capitalize on. And it wouldn't also be a bad thing if the market crash falls, because we can capitalize on these opportunities. Yeah, we can look for entries right about here, because why? That is our 4-hour trend, and the market has been respecting the support channel. So we can conclude that when the market does get back here, we can look for buying opportunities at this angle. So it's fine if the market does not give us entries here. Like I said, guys, trading is patience. Trading is literally patience, and it's also being one step ahead of the market at all times, being able to predict the market movement over time. I promise you guys, I promise you, you will also be able to do it, but it all depends on how consistent and how much are you putting in. That's the only way you can actually be successful, guys. Putting a Bible under your bed and praying is not gonna help. Trust me, it is not gonna help. I failed my accounting test like that back when I was still in high school, many moons ago. So basically that's exactly what we're looking for. But let me just erase this. It's either we're going to be catching entries here, or depends on how the market approaches this level before we continue going up. And what's the other reason for the market? Why is it possible for the market to continue going up? Like I said, guys, we are trading in an overall bullish trend. That's why I always emphasize the importance of trading with the big banks, the big institutions, so that you don't get stopped out. They have the ability, the market makers and all these guys, they have the ability to move the market with the capital that they have. They have enough liquidity to do so, maybe temporarily or for a whole week or whatever the case might be. We do not have that capability, so that's why it's important to flow with the current, not against the current, or otherwise you will lose. Unless you know what you're doing. If you wanna trade against the market, guys, hit me up, and I'll do those lessons, but I'll only do that at back testing. I'm gonna also be covering a lot of back testing, so you can see, meaning that you're gonna be covering a whole lot of data in like an hour or two. Maybe you're gonna cover our whole years of trading in an hour or 30 minutes, depending on how it goes, so you guys can see how I'm gonna do this at a much faster pace, because right now I can only record while the market is giving me this. So I'm just following the market, looking for entries. So without wasting time, guys, be sure to follow, be sure to like, to subscribe, to hit that notification bell if you haven't, so this algorithm can reach a wider audience of people who are also trying to build themselves, or people who have had a very bad experience in this industry, guys, because it happens, especially all over the world. It does not just here, it happens everywhere, guys. So what we're trying to do is we're trying to block out all the negative noise and all the things that go on in this industry. So that's why we've created this, so you guys can also learn the right way. So that will be it for us, guys, today, and we are done. Like I keep saying, stick around for the Strategic Trading Academy. The advanced trading course is coming, guys, and I'm always gonna be updating the courses, guys. So doesn't mean if you went through it you shouldn't visit back. You should always visit and check, but I'll make sure to update you guys if I do add any major updates. I'll inform you guys on how. I'll inform you guys. So be sure to stick around, like, and tell your friends. If you have a homie who's trading and who's struggling or whatever, bring them over too. Like I said, there's gonna be competitions, but I'm not gonna see anything yet. Not yet, guys. It's gonna be fun, bro. It's gonna be so much fun. I cannot wait for those competitions. Cannot wait. But that's it for us for Nasdaq, guys. Have a blessed upcoming week. Make sure that you follow your rules. Have an interesting week, and also check investing.com. That's when you can see what news events are gonna be happening during the week. I don't solely trade with news or anything. I just use it to see if am I going to experience volatility today or not. That's all I use news for. Otherwise, I am 100% pure technical analysis, guys, and that's what I'm gonna teach you how to trade, doing exactly this. Until next time, guys.